Hello everyone and welcome to the presentation of the extension CSS Seeker. If you want to code CSS or Tailwind faster, copy the layout of a website you like in one or a few clicks, and stop struggling with the inspector. I believe you will like this extension. So this is what the extension looks like once you open it. So you can see that it's a side panel, but you can open it like a regular Chrome extension. And even though it is a side panel and shrinks the website, don't worry, we still get the right CSS, even if you stretch it like this. Also, what is pretty cool with a side panel is that we will stay open on every website you visit. So if I go to this Tailwind website, you can see it stay open, and if I close it, it will close on every website. Also, it will remember the choices you make. So if I toggle the right click on CSS Seeker and go to Tailwind, it will untoggle because I didn't activate it in this site. And if I go back, it will activate again. So now let's dive into the extension. So we can see that we got a couple of things. So some toggles, properties, and a structure. So first of all, we're gonna talk about the toggle over. Toggle over, what it does is that it highlights every element you hover on. So this can help you to know exactly what you're looking at and how it is structured. Then we got the toggle right click. This is what the extension is all about, extracting CSS from the website. So when activated, you can now extract CSS over focus and activate effect from the element you right click on. So let's say I right click on this button. You can now see that the extension is filled with information. The properties section shows every CSS information displayed in three categories: font, position, and effect. And if you don't want to see it and just focus on the structure part, you can always shrink it. The structure part gives you the CSS code that you can copy with this button. What is really cool with the structure section is that it will show you the HTML tag you just right click it on, as well as the structured CSS code that has been used on this element. But let's say that you are someone who wants to work with Tailwind instead of CSS, you can just click on the Tailwind button and you will get the exact same code but converted to Tailwind. And to go even further, why not extract this code into a prebuilt HTML element? So if you click on the HTML button, you can see that we got now 4 options: CSS, Tailwind, Vanilla, and React. So this is the language you want the CSS to be in, so regular CSS or Tailwind, and the type of HTML, so Vanilla or React. If you want to copy the CSS with the HTML, we need to check the copy CSS class, and this will be in the style HTML tag. So now let's put the code I extracted to the test. So I will copy it as CSS and HTML Vanilla, go to CodePen, paste, put the CSS in the right container, add some text, wait for it to be saved. So now we can see that we got the same look as in the website, except for the font, because we can see that we got inherit on the weight and the font family. Also, there is an LVG element that we didn't copy, so we'll have to get our own SVG and copy paste the CSS right here. So that's it for this CSS Seeker extension presentation. So as you can see, you can really speed up your development process, whether you use regular CSS or Tailwind. And if you are starting as a web developer, it really helps. In my case, I loved to have this tool when starting and building my first website. And you can get access to it for free with a 7 days free trial, or get your life effects right now for $10 or $20 if the sales is up. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.